Growing up in an African village is much different than growing up in an urban neighborhood. In my village, we are taught how to do house chores and learn how to do farm work at a very young age, from making tea to milking cows, and we upgrade accordingly by age. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry Kefugi, or you can simply call me Jerry. If you are new to this channel, karibu sana. Welcome to the life of an African village girl here in Kenya. Please don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Also, thank you so very much for getting me to 500 subscribers. Thank you. Hi my lovelies, how are you doing? It's your girl, She. Kama kawaida, we are taking and giving you amazing content. So today I'm preparing one of the most staple foods here in Kenya. Every single home here, they have prepared this simple meal. It's called mchelenjeri. It's a mixture of rice and potatoes. Home is where meals are sumptuous and delicious, no matter what is being prepared. Home is where cute smiles are found and where beautiful memories are made. Home is where dance classes are unconventional. Africa is my continent, and Kenya, it's my home. I have lived in Africa for over 20 years, and my parents, they always let me have complete freedom in the village because they knew that there were many eyes watching out for my safety. Some of the best years have been spent in my village, and I will always consider it the home of my heart. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you love every single bit. Mama
oh, I'm going to die for a gun. No, I heard it. Papa, don't get me to the no, but don't move your cargo at Kiri. Pass out your dear Harry at Kiri, high people milk there. It's so bad. What they make it? I'm sure that you will say it. Isi akudirengira njeri noko njira Tom
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you have loved and enjoyed every single bit of it. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. Also, thank you so much for the 500 subscribers. I know that I have mentioned it a million times, but thank you so much. Road to 1,000 subscribers. So please make sure you share with at least 2 of your friends. Bye. I love you.